Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Champs. In this video, we are learning some basic concepts of chemistry. And in our previous video, we are discussing some basic points about this chapter and link given in the description box. So check out this video. And in this video, we are discussing uncertainty in measurement. So we study chemistry. So we deal with the experimental data and the theoretical data. So there are some meaningful way to handle these calculations or numbers and which are very convenient, and present data show realistic and with certainty. So there are some scientific notation can be used such as there are some atoms or molecule present which has a large molecular mass such as 1624000, and there are some molecules which has atomic number or atomic mass very less, like that 0.000166 for hydrogen atom. So in this it look very funny. There are how many zeros are present in these number. So there are some how to write these number in a simple numbers. So there are some scientific notation can be used such as in this n into 10 to power n. This formula is used, and in this the value of n will be negative or positive, and their n will be equal to 1.000 up to 9.999. So in this some example shown that like that 232.12. So this is very large number. How to read it? So it will be 2.32. This decimal shift left 2 points to there. So this will be 2.3212 and 10 to power 2. Their n will be 2 because this decimal shift 2 points to the left side, and there are some 0.00018. So we can write this number in a simple term. So it will be this decimal shift 1 2 3 4 terms to the right side. So this will be 1.8 into 10 to power their point decimal shift towards 4 points to the right. So to the right this will be minus 4. So there will be n positive or negative, and in this there are some scientific notation which are very helpful to define these numbers in a simple mathematical form, and there are some multiplication and division method like that. If there are some number present 5.6 into 10 to power 3, and there are some multiplication is present between 5.6 and 6.9 into 10 to power 6. So if their power has a base same, so this will be equal to 5.6 into 6.9, and the power base has same, and so the power is added. There is 3 and there is 6. So 3 plus 6, and the answer will be 38.56 something, and into 10 to power 9. So we solve this mathematical form in the scientific term, and in this point shift towards the left. So 3.856 into 10 to power 9, and this shift left to the point, so there will be 10. So their base will be same, so there will be 10 9 plus 1, so there will be 3.856 into 10 to power 10. Now we study division method. As in the same case in multiplication, we divide these terms. 2.45 into 10 to power minus 3 divided by 4.45 into 10 to power minus 4. So this will be equal to 2.45 divided by 4.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, and this will be going to above, so this will be in plus 4, and the answer will be some like A is the answer of this. So into में 10 raised to the power minus 1. So this is the method we apply in this mathematical form in scientific notation. Now the next method is addition method. So in addition method, there are power will be in same position, so the addition is in simple way like that. 2.85 into 10 to power 3 plus 1.85 into 10 to power 2. So in this there are power 3 and there are power 2. In this addition their power cannot be in added, but this can be write as 2.85 into 10 to power 3, and in this decimal shift left, so there will be 0.185 into 10 to power, there is 2 and 1 decimal shifted left, so there will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now 2.85 plus 0.185 into 10 to the power 3, and there are 2.9, there are some 2.85 and 0.185, so this will be 3.035 into 10 to power 3, and in the subtraction apply same rule as in the case of addition rule. So there will be 4.45 into 10 to power 4 minus second term is 1.25 into 10 to power 3. So this decimal shift left to the point, so this will be 4.45 and 10 to power 4 minus 0.125 into 10 to power 4, because in this one decimal shift, so there will be 10 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So it will be 4.45 minus 0.125 into 10 to the power 4. So this will be 4.45 0.125. So this will be 5 2 3 4.32 into 10 to power 4. Now we study scientific figures. scientific figure. So some experimental measurement have some uncertainty because there are some limitation in the instrument and some skill are not developed in any person because some error due to some person are making. Like that, there are some object present and we weight this object in a platform balance. So it will be equal to 9.4. Let us, it will be 9.4. And if this object is measured in analytical balance, so this will be equal to 9.4321 gram. And it will be also in gram. So there are some uncertainty present in this. So the uncertainty is the number which is present in this, like that. There are some 11.2. So in this, 11 is the number and 2 is uncertainty present in it. And in this, there are some rules which are applied in the significant figure, that are: first rule is, in this there are non-zero numbers are significant figure, like that 2.025. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 significant figures are present, and 0.25. In this, 0 is not concluded or not. So there are 2 significant figures, that is 2 and 5. So there are 2 significant figures and there are 4 significant figures. And the next is, if the 0 in the first are added, so these are not significant figure, like that. There are 0.025. So there are only 2 significant figures, that are 2 and 5. So there are 2 significant figures. And the third rule is, if there are 0 present between the numbers, so these are significant figure, like that 0.025. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures are present. And the next rule is 0 present at the right side of the decimal are significant figure. If there are no decimal is present, so there are one significant figure are present, like that 0.200. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figure are present. If there are present 100, so these 0 are not concluded in significant figure, so there are only 1 significant figure. And there are 100.10.0. So there are 2 significant figure, that is 1 and 0. So there are 2 significant figure. If there are 100.0, so there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 significant figures are found. And in this, the next rule is, if there are exact number of molecules are present, like that, if there are 2 pens are present and there are 20 eggs are present, so this can be write as right decimal to the next various zeros, like that 2.00000, and it will be same as that this, and this will be write as 20.00000. So there are significant figure are only 20, that is 2. And in this, average number rule are followed, like that. There are measurement are occurred. So student A measure that. There are some measurement. So they measure 1.95 is the value and the other value is 1.94, and student B find value 1.96 and 1.98, and student C value 2.01 and 1.99. So we find these average values that are 1.945 and in this 1.97 and in this 2.00. So we find the significant figure or we find the average value if the correct value is 2.00. So we say that the student C has the average value this and this is correct answer. And now we study addition and subtraction of significant figures. So there are some significant figures or numbers are present like that 12.11, 18.0, 13.0, 31.13 and 12.154. So in this less significant figure are taken and they are adding 1 like that. In this there are only 1 digit is present after the decimal point at the right side. So this will be taken as a significant figure that has only 1. So these figures can be written as 31.1 and all the other numbers at the point are removed. Multiplication and division. So in this significant figure present, they are taken as considered like that. If there are 2.5 into 1.25, so the answer will be 3.125 and in this 2.5 has only two significant figure that is 1 and 2. So the answer has only 2 significant figures. So answer will be 3.1 and all the terms are removed. And in this there are some rules are applied that if at the last of the end that is 4.258, if the last digit is greater than 5, so the next term is adding by 1. So this will be equal to 4.26 and this is removed. This is greater than 5, so this add will be 1. So this will be 6 and this is removed. So this is 4.26. And the next rule is if there are less than 5, so this can be removed and this can be written as 4.23. There are same digits and if there are different digits are present like that, if there are 4 present, so this will be removed and the answer will be 4.23. And the next rule is if there are present 6.235, if there are 5 present, so if there are present some odd number, so there are some adding 1 like that 6.24 and 5 will be removed. And if there are some even number are present like that 6.245, so the answer will be 6.24. So there is no addition in the previous number. So these are the all rules of the significant figure and significant notation. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.